So we're right now just done a major overhaul of my car, and it's a 10-over-year car. What I've done is we do a complete repainting of the car surface. Inside, change the seat and done up major overhaul, suspension, everything. Wow, it's almost like a new car, man. Right now, it's so pretty right now. Wow, all my lobang all gone already. Wow, it's really nice look. Wow, really pretty. Okay, and I want to show you the inside. Wow, this is a new car seat, right? They reholster the leather, and it's got a very nice new car smell. And my car rim is also changed, and well, it's a very nice feel right now. Wow, it's really a very good job done. Okay, well, it feels comfortable. So I asked them to pad it up so that it's good for my back. Well, it's very good, and the price is very good. The guy is really very good. I don't collect a single commission by telling you this guy is really very good, but this guy is really very good. Okay, so I'm gonna give you the contact to this place. I thought it's money's worth. Okay.
这个是 steering rate 哦
steering 啊，我那个 steering 坏了，对不对？
你转右转，你时候还会有声音哦，
对，
就是这个东西坏哦，对，这个东西哦。然后我们下来的时候，这些 low arm 这些部全部不好了，我们就一次把给你换，因为不要两次工嘛。对啊，然后最主要是这个后尾的 exhaust，
我的 absorber 对，
你的 exhaust 已经是软了的。
这个是 suspension 啊，
对，这个是后面的 exhaust 哦，这个是后面的，然后这个是 wiper 哦，前后我们都给你换掉了。然后这个我们叫 ball joint，
这个是什么
ball joint， 它连着 low arm 连在这里的。
OK，
它连在这里的。然后这些车脚都是免费到我们那次不给你换了。OK， 不然等一下改天你用不久啊，又回来又有问题。
OK 好。
这个是 stabilizer bubbles 这些塑胶我们都有给你换了的。
OK no。
最后是这个灯泡，这个灯泡它没有得单换灯泡了。它是整个 LED 的，所以只要它一烧，你要整个灯泡换了。对，换了，就是这样而已啦，其他都没有了。好，
很好OK， 谢谢你啊，谢谢你。This is a good boss 啊，来找 Jason。Jason is very good. Okay, I'll give you his contact. So we're right now driving my 10-year-old car that's been given a very nice overhaul. It feels great. Now they've changed all the suspension, and in fact, it feels like a new car right now that I drive a bit kanchong. Just scared I scratch a car or something like that. The seats feel fantastic. The grip feels good. Because the engine has been overhauled and suspension done, everything. Wow, it feels really good. So we first went to a Singapore car repair and said we want to do some overhaul and servicing. And the guy gave us an expensive quote. So we asked our good friend here to recommend a very reliable car mechanic that can do the same job. So he recommended us to Jason, and Jason did the job very responsibly. So the first time we did it, we changed the two front absorber and some work here and there. We found the job was very well done. So we decided to give him the chance to overhaul the whole car, given that we're going to China. So the total overhaul plus repainting plus everything, new leather seats and all this, came out to be maybe about 15k ringgit. 15k ringgit. 15k ringgit. I can use this car for another 10 years or so. I think this is a wonderful price to pay. So for those people who are thinking of servicing a new car, let me repeat again. I do not collect a single cent of commission from the car mechanic, and you can don't even tell him that it's a referral from me, but you can go there and get a quote yourself, or you got any other mechanic in JB. I think they're trustworthy. I think they all charge a price that's much cheaper than Singapore. So I think since car prices are so ridiculously expensive right now, extending COE is going to be a very common thing. for another 10 years. So then you better give your car a new lease of life. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, I just want to show you this that I found in China. Some of their Uber equivalent driver were using this, and I thought it's an amazing thing. I found that it was available in Singapore, Shopee. So I bought it and it's wonderful. I'll show you guys this, okay? You can just on this, and especially the weather is so hot. Wow, it's amazing, man. So this is a wonderful addition. You just kiap to the car here, okay? And then you get 3 speed, 2, 3. Very, very powerful. This is now 2 fans, battery powered. It's USB rechargeable. I'm not selling it. I can give you the link or you can go and look for it yourself in Shopee. I'm sure it's also available in Lazada or something like that. But this is really very amazing, and I want to show you something quite amazing. See, I can flip over here and blow towards my wife. How do you feel, B? Strong? Super strong, right?
Good.
Yeah.
Good invention.
Yeah, this is good invention.
Because this car right behind right don't have much like aircon vent or something like that. So this will actually help the children who are sitting behind right or passengers behind right to feel cooler.
Yeah.
Very, very, very good. And then if you are really, really hot right, and this is not strong enough because of this kind of like obstruction and stuff like that, right? You can actually blow in front. Yes. So it's good invention.
It's amazing,
good
right?
Discovery.
That's amazing. Well, the Chinese are super amazing in discovering all this, in inventing all this kind of thing. It's not expensive, I can't even remember how much. Yeah, maybe, I don't know, $30, $30+, something like that. I can't really remember. Okay, yeah, $20, $30+. Okay, anyway, I'm not selling this. I'm just trying to tell you that I found this great lobang. Okay, I want to share with you all this. It's really very amazing. Okay, and I hope you guys will have a cooler June, July that is coming right now, super hot. So this is BE, first time driving our new old car, 10-year-old new car. How do you feel, dear?
The chair, very good. Yes, very. I think Mr. Lu added some padding. Okay, so
To the chair, right?
Yeah, to the chair, to his chair. It's very comfortable. Am I on the wrong road? I'm correct. Yes. And then it's very smooth. Yeah, so I think it's actually all very, very well done. And then the exterior, right, looks really like a new car. Yes.
Do you feel that driving is smoother now?
Of course. We
Right.
changed all the suspension, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So everything is actually very well done. Very happy with the product right now. Yeah. So happy to get a new old car.
Yeah. So how much should we spend?
I think all in all, right, roughly, first and second, okay,
Yeah.
first we send it for servicing,
Yes.
change some parts and stuff like that.
Yes.
Then when we realized that he's actually a good guy, we send in for overhaul in a sense lah. Yeah, and repainting and things like that. Everything, ringgit, I think slightly less than 15,000 ringgit.
Wow.
Yes.
Okay.
Good deal.
It's a
Super
good deal, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Very happy, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
I remember last time, about 6 months, when it was like 6 years, when the car was about 6 years old, that time I had some problem. I sent it to Singapore mechanic, right? And then I was charged like close to 5,000 Sing. And what's more frustrating is nothing was done.
I mean,
I was still having that same problem, the electronic problem.
oh
Yeah.
wow, that was
Remember?
5,000. Oh yes, I remember now. Yeah,
4,008 or something like that.
that's
I was
crazy.
so upset.
Singapore
Yeah,
prices
super,
just
super upset. And then I told myself that after that, right, we really got to find a good mechanic. And since then, till now, it's been some time. But finally, we found a good one. Yes.
Yeah.
And
Alright.
it's the best timing.
Yeah. Remember, we do not collect any commission. Nothing. Okay. No marketing fee. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. But I thought this kind of Kangta is good. And by the way, if you guys know of any other good car mechanic in Malaysia, go ahead, because the price is just a huge difference with Singapore. Now I know this is a very controversial topic. Should Singaporeans support Singapore business and not spend money in Malaysia? I think this is a very emotional topic, but there is no easy answer to this. I'll just say this, that at least in the car mechanic space, I think there are very few Singaporeans as car mechanic now in Singapore. most of them are from overseas, especially Malaysia. So even the car mechanics in Singapore, they're mostly run by Malaysians anyway. So I think at least in this space is less controversial, okay? But we shall have this engagement of this discussion in a live stream maybe tonight, and let me know what's your feedback to this, okay? So this is me signing off, and I hope you guys will consider, for those who have cars and are like us, kiam kana, you know, want to extend the COE. Just want to let you know that there is an option for you to revitalize your car by sending it to a good mechanic in Malaysia. You can choose the one I recommend or find someone else, doesn't matter. I hope you guys will find a way to extend the life of your car, okay? All right, this is Mr. Lulu and B signing off. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. So this is the address of the auto company. Look for the boss, Jason. He's really very good, very responsible. And it's near Mount Austin, so it's very near where I stay. And wow, I'm very proud of my car here. It's a very new look right now. Wow, cannot ask for more.